Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Apple Pay to your Shopify store. So first of all, just open up your Shopify and then click on this settings. And in settings, you have to tap on this payments option. So here in the payments, what I want to do is to actually enable my payment permission in order to accept the money. This is something like really useful. So what I want to do is choose a provider, a third party that can accept only Apple Pay. You can choose more than Apple Pay. For example, I'm going to type here into the payment methods. I want to enable Apple Pay. They want to accept the Visa, MasterCard, like that. So as you can see, we have different checkout options, or if I only want to enable Apple Pay, I am going to just clear all of those, and I have Stripe, I have CyberSource, I have Authorize.net, I have those data and Infinite payments. Depending on what is the actual party of the choose, you have to do several stuff in order to enable this. For example, let's say I have choose CyberSource, and here what I need to do is to log in and choose the transaction key in order to enable all of this. In order to do that, what I need to do is create an account into Cyber. So if you just open this into a new tab, and here what I want to do is to create an account. As you can see, this one actually works into in Spanish. So I'm going to hit log in. So after you log in, you have to create your account, you have to enable this, you have to provide your bank all your information, your organization ID, and then after that it's going to be sending you all this information here. You are now with the Apple Pay option, or you can choose something a little bit more easier, for example Stripe can be accepting Apple Pay as well, so I can choose Stripe, and with that being said, I can do exactly the same process. It's going to be sending me into Stripe, so I can have my own account. I need to provide my information, grant the access, and then we are actually good to go. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.